Welcome to Home Decor, where creativity meets style to transform your home. Get ready for fresh ideas, inspiring designs, and unique tips from all corners of the world. Whether you're refreshing a room or starting a new project, we have the inspiration you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated with all things decor. When setting up your living room, choosing a TV unit is an important decision. This piece of furniture, often referred to as an entertainment unit, not only supports your TV but can also serve as the focal point of the room. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to find the right TV unit. To assist you, we've compiled some tips for selecting the perfect unit for your space. Warm browns and texture-rich wall design. This design showcases warm brown tones and a textured backdrop, blending rich wood with contemporary accents. The floating TV unit features a sleek white finish, which creates a striking contrast against the dark wood, enhancing the depth of the space. Minimalistic decor is used to keep the focus on the textures and warmth of the design. Sleek modern TV unit with marble and wood accent wall. This modern TV unit design combines the elegance of marble with the warmth of wood, creating a balanced and sophisticated aesthetic. The marble panel behind the TV adds a luxurious touch, with its soft grey veining creating a stunning contrast against the natural wood accents. The floating console features clean, white cabinetry with a glossy finish, offering both functionality and style. Minimalist natural wood paneling. This minimal TV wall design embraces simplicity with its seamless wooden paneling, creating a warm and understated backdrop for the TV. The light wood tones offer a calming, natural aesthetic, perfect for creating a cozy environment in a bedroom or living room. The wall-mounted storage unit adds functionality while maintaining the minimalist theme. The overall design is highly versatile, fitting into a range of interiors while keeping the focus on clean lines and subtle sophistication. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a modern, simple look. Natural stone with dramatic lighting. Featuring a wall of natural stone and dramatic lighting, this TV unit brings a sense of grandeur to any living room. The combination of rugged stone and sleek, modern materials makes this design a standout feature in contemporary homes. The floating console complements the stone's texture, keeping the area clean and uncluttered, while the lighting highlights the natural beauty of the materials used. This design combines minimalist white tones with warm vertical wood slats to create a modern yet inviting TV unit. The floating console provides ample storage while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. The vertical wood slats behind the TV add texture and warmth, making this setup ideal for those who appreciate simplicity with a hint of natural elements. The sleek lines and subtle textures offer a refined, contemporary aesthetic. And there you have it, modern TV unit design ideas for 2025 that are sure to inspire your next home makeover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.